So, do you have any specific moment?
So since first day, I was a chaos. And how often we are towards the problem-solving approach.
Have you been in such situation like where you have been gone out of the box to?
There are some times where the times are high. Everybody was working hard.
Hello viewers, this is Nikita, the HR manager at PCS. Every day we hear countless stories at home, at work and everywhere around us. But only a few stories stay with us. The story of our leaders who grow, evolve and inspire. The real question is, how are these leaders built? They are shaped in the workplace like PCS Global, where we walk together, support one another and grow as a team. Today, we are having Sneha with us, who completed 2 years of her journey at PCS, and she is here to share her wonderful experience with us. Hey Sneha, congratulations on completing 2 years with PCS.
Thank you for having me here.
So, looking back at your first day, how has your role and perspective of the company evolved since then?
Since first day, I was a chaos, literally. And that time, I needed to be managed, but right now, I am managing a team.
We often talk about our values on paper. How do you see those values actually lived in your daily work culture?
So talking about the values which we share on paper, mostly they are how our work is going to be impacted, how people are going to be open-minded, and how often we are towards the problem-solving approach. So when we talk about PCS, the people here are taking the opportunities as a problem-solving one, and they are open-minded. Whenever we need to discuss anything with them, they are just on the click.
So do you have any specific moment, or can you just recall a moment like where you have been felt like, yeah, I have been truly valued or recognized by our leadership team?
So the management here is really very much proactive in recognizing whether it be our feedbacks or whether it be our positive news, So when I look back, and there are so many positive approaches, that is why I'm here right now, you can say. Plus the promotions, the increments, or each and everything is valued. You get each and everything what you are desired of.
How has your relationship been with your managers or peers when it comes to tackling challenges or meeting the deadlines?
So in PCS, all the peoples as a family. We are never like there are seniors or there are juniors, how to tackle with them. Problem is never tackling with them, whether it be the management, whether it be our juniors. Everyone has been in a proactive approach towards each and everyone's help.
Do you have any specific technical or soft skill like which you had earlier, but like after joining PCS, it has been enhanced or sharpened, something like that?
I believe it would be how to tackle with people, and how to be firm, composed, and the way of interpreting each and every results, and just the way how to deal with any problem.
Have you been in such situation like where you have been gone out of the box to help your team or anything related to that?
So out of the box in PCS, we are all thinking, we are all innovative. So each and every time we go out of the box to solve any of the queries, whether it be any of the client ones or sometimes personal as well. So yeah, we go out of the box for innovations, for creating the deadlines, never reaching the deadlines to be done. And all of the team is very much supportive,
How do you feel organization supports you in managing the pressure and maintaining a healthy life balance?
There are some times where the times are high. So all the people in PCS have considered it as a family, and they put their goal. Each and every people is inclined towards company's goal more than their own goals. So everyone think of it as a family and work as a family. We are never differentiating each and everyone on the basis of their clients, what they are handling and everything. But yeah, It's a family and we work as a family.
Are you able to recall some funny moments sort of?
There was a moment where we got a huge task of migration and everything, and it was 5 people's job. But the deadlines were very scary, you know. So the whole PCS came together, whether it be Saturday, whether it be Sunday, whether it be 14 August, 15
sure.
August. Everybody was working hard to just complete the deadline so that we can acknowledge that part.
A funny moment I can say, like, I wouldn't be able to forget PCS. Something a touchy moment or emotional
Oh my
moment
God.
with PCS.
There are many moments where I get touchy and when it comes to PCS, because I have each and every time mentioned this, that PCS is my second home, PCS is my family. The people make PCS and the people here are so much supportive, open-minded, and just they go through your difficulties and make it go away in a flash, you know. So that is what I love about PCS.
Great. If you had to sum up your all 2 years of experience in one single sentence for any new joinee or any future hire, what that would be?
For future hire, welcome to your new home. You'll be comfortable, you'll feel safe, and you won't need to adjust here.
That's great. I mean, your 2 years of experience, listening about whatever experience you have been, whatever moments you have shared, and I'm very glad to have you here.
Thank you so much.
So hopefully we will be sitting here next year on the same day
Yeah.
and more sort of interviews and many more memories to share.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you so
Nikita.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.